Hello, hello, Zach the Porcupine here, and today we are going to learn how to use WeTransfer. Alrighty everybody, we're going to hop over to WeTransfer, so let me escape out of this a second, and I already have it up. We're just going to go to WeTransfer.com. If you happen to see a little pop-up in the middle, it might say like sign up now or pro or whatever. There's a little thing right below there that says skip or continue on, something like that. I don't get that always, but it does sometimes pop up. Anyways, continuing onward, you'll notice that in the upper right hand corner, it says sign up or log in. During this session, I am neither signed up or logged in, okay? So this is just the free version. And all we have to do is come over here to the left side, and it says add your files or select a folder, okay? And it also gives a little pop-up here that says you can add up to, I think, 2 gigabytes of whatever it is that you're sending. And let's dig right into this. So we are going to hop over here. I have a couple of photos brought up, and we're just gonna grab this one right here. And now I am clicking and holding. Just hold your mouse button down or whatever. You can also go to the or select folder if you want. We'll try that next. And we're just gonna go like this. And it got added. All right. We can also click on add more files. Just click on it, and we're gonna go files. In which case, it will then bring up our desktop situation as usual. And I'll just click on my tutorials. We'll come over here and click on the photo I want to send and click open. Okay. Then all we have to do is go to email to. We'll say one of my email addresses, and this is my email. All right, and we're just gonna say photos. Yes, got it. Click on transfer. There we go. And so because they're not familiar with us, they're just gonna ask for a verification code, and I'm just going to type in my verification code that I just received. The verification code does go to your email, okay? So just pay attention to that. And mine is, here we go. Verify, transferring, and that's that. Done. The person you just sent that to will be receiving it. Okay. Now, I do have, if you're sending like a group or a folder, we're gonna do something else, okay? This is another quick little tip here. And I'm gonna email this to my same person, and we're just gonna say a group of awesome photos. Yes. All right, a group of awesome photos, yes. All right, now in order to send multiples The easiest way to do this would be to go like this. We're going to select all of the photos. This is Mac, PC. I'm on a PC right now, as you can see, but they work the same way. We're going to, what we're going to do is we're going to compress these. We're going to compress these into a folder here and go like this. Right. So we now have a zipped folder of all of these in here, and we're just going to drag and drop that and click transfer. And we have another you only get the verification when you have the free version, just to let you know. But I mean, if you're not sending photos time and time again, you know, a one-time deal is fine, okay? And I can type in my code, go like this, click verify, and we are now transferring. Now the person on the other end will be receiving a folder that is in a zip format. So I know not everybody, sometimes people get confused with that. You just have to let them know. Just to click that extract button and you'll be all set. So there we go. So that's all for WeTransfer. I hope you guys found that helpful, and I will continue on to the next one. Thank you. This is Zach the Porcupine with Manistee Media, and this is our tutorial series. Please click subscribe, like, you know, the usual, follow us. Thank you. Have a good day.